Hey you, I'm celebrity menswear stylist Ashley Weston, and I'm joined by Dorian, who has graciously agreed to lend his torso to me for this video. So today I want to show you how to properly choose and wear a tie bar. So the two biggest mistakes, and I would say the only mistakes that you can make with your tie bar, are when they're placed either too high or too low, and if you choose the wrong size for your tie. So I wanna get into how to properly choose the correct tie width. If you are wearing a 2-inch, like Dorian is, or all the way up to a 2.5-inch wide tie, then you wanna go with a 1-inch or 1.5-inch tie bar. Now, if you are wearing a 3-inch wide tie, then you wanna go with a 2-inch tie bar. So that's basically it, it's super easy. We did a whole video about ties and how to choose a tie based on your body type, so we'll link that in the description below. Now that you know what tie bar width you should go with, let's get into how to properly wear one.
Do you wear two like this?
You never wear two. This was for demonstration purposes. So there's basically two approaches. The first approach is I'm gonna call it the OG approach. It's the more classic, timeless way to wear your tie bar, and your tie bar will sit a lot lower down on your tie. So with your blazer on, you wanna place your tie bar about one button down from the top of your breast pocket. So here's the top, one button down, which you'll see, that's the one button down. And basically, but this is how you want to wear your tie bar. So when you fasten up your jacket, not very much of the tie bar will be showing. This is the approach you like to take.
This is what I prefer, a little more classic, a little more timeless.
Now for me, I actually like the next approach because you can see the tie bar a lot more. Oh wait, so before we get into where to place it, if you've been enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so back to it. So you want to place your tie bar basically slightly below the breast pocket, because when you fasten up your jacket, it shows a lot more of the tie bar. And so this is the approach I use when I style for GQ or I style my clients for the red carpet. But really, honestly, you can go with either of the two approaches, whatever you prefer, but definitely don't use any other approach outside of ours, because that's when the outfit starts to look off and it can really mess up an otherwise beautiful, put together look.
You make or break an outfit in the details. This is one of those points where you make or break it.
Yep, so hopefully that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Dorian, thank you for lending your torso.
My pleasure.
And we will see you in the next one. Bye.